Stop! You're causing obstruction.
What's that?
Stop! Oh my God, Darren! Stop! I'm leaving.
So stupid. He just wants to make videos of it. When we get
Look
back...
at that campus security guy that didn't even do anything. He just stood there.
Yeah, what's some jacking right now? Suck. Right?
They help really loud.
So they have a help box, so you can just click it.
I hope you enjoy walking all the way back to your car right now.
Right now? Or in a few minutes?
In a minute.
You want to get your backpack or something?
Or do you want the alarm to go off? With the security guard not even doing anything.